In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the mini portable washer. We'll look at their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision on which one to buy. Let's dive in. The ROVSUN washing machine offers a larger capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the mini portable washer has a capacity of 15 Ls, but lacks separate wash and spin cycles, making it less efficient for bigger loads. While the ROVSUN machine is larger and heavier, making it less portable, the mini portable washer is designed for easy storage and transport with its folding design and lightweight build. This makes it ideal for those who need a washing machine that can be easily moved or stored away. In terms of pricing, the ROVSUN washing machine is priced at $149, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features like a built-in drain pump. On the other hand, the mini portable washer is more budget-friendly at $79, making it an attractive option for those on a tighter budget or who only need to wash smaller loads. In conclusion, the best choice between the ROVSUN 15 LBS portable washing machine and the mini portable washer depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and don't mind the extra weight, the ROVSUN is a solid choice. However, if portability and budget are your main concerns, the mini washer is a great option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.